just as surprised as you.
Hi, good morning guys. This is day 2 of being in the UK. I'm still reliving. I'm still trying to survive for the moment. It feels different given that I'm going from a place like Saudi Arabia, so everything is different. Anyway, I want to unpack the things I came with. They are all littered everywhere. So let me unbox and put my things together, put myself together. My kitchen is still in a very chaotic state. I've not been able to like give it a touch, but by the time I'm better settled, I will do that. Buy organizers so I can organize the kitchen and give it a better look and all that. So basically that's that. I want to unpack my bags and unpack the things I came with. So everything that I came with, I just finished unboxing them. My garri spilled. Oh god, I just realized I didn't bring a major ingredient for something. So these are basically everything that I came with. I'm working on putting them together. I want to organize them so I can give my kitchen a better look. The kitchen is just looking upside down, inside out. Everywhere is just looking one kind. So I want to put these things away and then now what I can do. Oh god, I forgot something very important. I hope I get that in African market. I'll get storage containers so that I can store some of this, like my crayfish and all. I want to put the crayfish in the fridge. So I'll get like storage containers for that. I want to really settle down.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light. The sky just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. So loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again.
Hi, hello. UK. I'm not going to phone with
All again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be. We're gonna be.
I came to the bank, just do some transactions basically. So I'll soon be on my way home now. I went to Boots to also buy cream, but I didn't even get some cream I needed. But yeah.
We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So guys, it's been a lot of shopping. Came out from Boots, went to the bank to pay in some money that I came with, and I want to just go get some things because it's getting, I don't know, it's summer, but the summer is not summer for me. It's actually quite cold, so I need to get more cardigans, because I'm actually very prone to cold. So I have a low threshold for cold, and I need to get myself kitted. So yeah, let's go. Let me show you what's in front of me. So beautiful out here. So beautiful out here. So calm. Nice. What does it looks like? It wants to have that feel of that Manchester Trafford Centre. And somehow Saudi Arabia. Oh, babe, M&S. Even Mall of Arabia. So then M&S now. Let's buy her chocolate now. It's been a day, or a morning rather. Welcome back, you guys. So as you all know, I just came to the UK, and yeah, it's been exciting. It's a different experience, different from what I am used to. Anyways, this afternoon I went to the post office, because when I got my visa approved, they sent email and told me that I'll have to collect my BRP in the nearest post office near me. So I just came back from collecting my BRP, and I also went to the African store to get something, because apparently I forgot something while I was coming. I needed that particular ingredient to cook, so I went to look for it in the African store. So from there I got meat, because I want to make soup. I don't even know, it feels different, because I love the fact that I need something and there's a place I am serving that I can get that thing, unlike when I was in Saudi Arabia, when you don't have something, just forget about it. So but I'm super excited that there is a place that I can just go and get whatever it is I need to get. In all honesty, I really appreciate God for everything and how everything is going. So that's basically that for that. Catch you later. Bye.
We'll never have regrets. We wanna kiss the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shot from the top.
So now unpack the things that are here and put them in the freezer. These are meats I got from African store. This is the oil I came with. This was how I froze it when I was coming with it.
As we shot from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
We're having visitors this evening, so I thought to make abacha for them. Given that they're from the Igbo descent, so it makes sense that I welcome them, or yeah, welcome them with something like that. So you guys, so I just put my meat in the oven. I'm trying to make I brought this over from Nigeria, so I want to cook it and then proceed with my abacha. While I'm making this abacha, I'm also cooking soup. As you guys saw in my pot here, I'm also cooking soup. So let's cook in silence.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out,
actually fun day. Good evening, guys. I know I'm starting my vlog from the house. Because I'm actually outside where I'm having fun right now. So it's a place called Pool in Hollywood. I can't even remember what it is, but it's actually a fun place. And everywhere is actually good. These are all game activities for everybody. That's basketball, that's arcade behind me. This one is like a police car.